Did you know you might already have free Thermomix accessories waiting for you? No, seriously. I think a lot of Thermomix owners and non-owners are leaving free accessories on the table simply because they don't realize how much they can earn through the loyalty program. Yes, we have an improved loyalty program that you are going to love. So, you might already have loyalty points sitting in your account. You might be able to earn even more. But here's the part that surprises most people. You don't even need to own a Thermomix to start earning rewards. And you can earn them even when no one buys a Thermomix. Yep, no purchase necessary. So today, I'm going to explain exactly how all of this works, how to earn points, how to redeem them, and how to book a demo if you'd like to start collecting even more. Wanna hear all about it? Stay with me. Hi, my name is Diana, the Dummy Cook, and today I'm going to share some insider secrets with you. Well, not so secret if you have a consultant. This information I'm about to share applies in the US at the time I'm making this video. If you're not in the US, check for offers in your country. Thermomix always tries to have advantages for people hosting demo parties. If you're in the US, please double check the loyalty page for updated information because they can add or change things after my video. I will leave the link in the video description. Okay, so let's do it. Let's think of two scenarios. One, you have a Thermomix, you're an absolute fan, and you will love to share it with a couple of friends in a non-pressure fun environment. Or two, you're thinking about buying a Thermomix, or you're curious to see what the hype is all about, and you want to call a few friends and host a non-pressure fun discovery demo. Okay, in both cases, you will earn loyalty points that you can redeem for accessories. Yes! They could be Thermomix accessories or kitchen essentials. Let's say if you don't have a Thermomix and you're not ready to own one yet, then you still have good options, right? And you will earn them whether there's a purchase from your demo or not. Yes, no purchase necessary. So, look, this is the chart we have right now. Like I said, double check it for updates at the time you want to book that demo, okay? What are 250 points worth? They are $25. Just divide the number of points by 10, and that is your dollar value to redeem for accessories. And just so you know, that is a perfect addition to the $50 that you get now when you buy through a consultant. Yes, if you didn't know that, shipping is now free when you buy a TM7. But when you choose your consultant's name at checkout, or when you use their direct link, you get a $50 voucher to spend in an accessory purchase later on. So many gifts, so little time. You do get 250 points, $25, just for hosting a demo or welcome service. But there must be at least 2 adult guests in that demo, other than your family members. A demo is an initial presentation made by your consultant where you and your guests get to know Thermomix and what it can do by cooking together a few recipes. A welcome service is a second event where your consultant explains to you how to use your Thermomix. He or she will help you with the setup, with questions, and you'll probably make 1 or 2 recipes. You can invite 2 different adult guests to that welcome service as well and earn 250 points again. By the way, about who to invite or not, at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you one mistake almost everyone makes when deciding who to invite, but I'll get to that later. Back to the chart. If from that demo or welcome service, someone buys a Thermomix within a week, then you'll earn another 250 points for each of their TM7 purchases. You know what? Let's do the math. But let's not get greedy. Let's imagine only your friend Gina bought a TM7 from that demo. You just earned another 250 points. Let's see. 250 for hosting. 250 because Gina bought her TM7 from that demo. Then let's say that you didn't have a TM7 yet. So you bought one, which gives you 250 more points for your purchase. And remember, a $50 voucher for buying through a consultant. That's 750 points, which is $75. Plus the $50 voucher, you just made $125 and you haven't even booked the welcome service yet. Crazy. But here's the thing, I think you earned something even more valuable than that. Whether someone buys or not, if everyone leaves saying, that was so much fun, then it was a successful demo, right? And you did make the initial 250 points. Now, would you like to know how to use those points? Yes, I'll get into that. Let me give you one more piece of good news first. We have a new feature they just announced this week that I love, the item of the month. Each month, Thermomix is going to offer an item for a discounted loyalty points amount. For example, this month in July, they just started this program with the sensor. A sensor costs $129, but this month you can get one with just 500 points. Wow, that is $50 for the sensor, a $79 savings. Now my points are worth so much more. How do you redeem these points? You use your consultant's link like you did when you bought your TM7. Once you're on the Thermomix website, log into your account and see how many points you have accumulated. If you're ready to use them, add some accessories to your cart and go to checkout. You will be able to use them in increments. And yes, you will have a small shipping cost unless your paid amount is $149 or over. But remember, every time you spend $100 or more in accessories, you will be earning 50 points. So your points will be alive and growing as long as you keep helping us share Thermomix with the world. Got it? So, how do you book these demos? Super easy. They can be in person or online. Yes, online as well. So if you have a consultant and you want to do it in person, call them and ask them for a date they could come over. You'll agree on a menu. Yes, you'll have some choices from the typical options that we have for demos. You just need to get the ingredients, which should be very basic, and then don't forget to invite those friends. Sometimes in order to get 2, you need to invite 3 or 4. But that is not the tip I promised. I'll get to that one later. Okay, so you invited your friends. Your consultant will send you a form to check in for your demo. Your guests will check in as well, and that's it. The system will know that you hosted a demo and you'll earn your well-deserved points. If you want to do it online, the consultant will have the ingredients and the camera ready. You and your friends just need to join their Zoom or FaceTime or whichever type of call, check in for the demo, and then enjoy. If you don't have a consultant, guess what? I am one, and I would love to do this with you. If you're watching this video, chances are you're not in Las Vegas. I mean, what are the odds? Good city to be talking about odds, huh? So we will do an online demo and I will make it fun and engaging for you and your friends. Sounds like a plan? Awesome. Just email me here so we can schedule this. You can also go to thermomix.com and request a local in-person demo. If they have an approved consultant, there's some internal requirements for these consultants close to you, then you will be matched with them. If not, the system will match you with someone else in the country for an online demo. They will contact you to schedule it. Okay, so what did you learn today? You learned that even if you have a Thermomix, you can have fun sharing it with friends and earn gifts along the way. You learned that if you've been thinking about getting a Thermomix, there is a way to start earning rewards before you even own one. You have learned that you should log into your Thermomix customer account to see if you have any points that you didn't know you had. That's awesome, right? But you know what? Let me add 3 more tips here. Number 1, having a consultant doesn't mean you need to do a demo. Those are separate concepts. If you don't have time now, or if you're not interested, choose a consultant regardless, because they will help you with much more than just the demo, okay? 2, if you're calling a few friends to host a demo, don't qualify them in your head. Don't go, this one will buy a Thermomix because she's rich, and this one wouldn't buy one because he's a little tight with money. No. This is not about the money. It's about the value. We're going to show them an option they didn't know about. We're going to have fun. They will not be pressured to buy. So don't profile them. Whether they buy or not is not your problem. The consultant is just going to show them the value of the Thermomix. And you will be surprised. I have more low to middle income families buying a Thermomix because they appreciate eating together with the family, eating healthy food that was made from scratch, than I have rich people. Of course, they love Thermomix as well, but I've had some very rich people who didn't think it was for them because they thought I was not solving a problem they have. They've got people making food for them. They can order anything they want. So in their head, this was not needed. Wrong, because Thermomix will open a whole new world for them or their helpers. But hey, this happens. So just invite friends the same way you always will have, just because you want to see them and have a good time with them. This is an excuse to see them. We are too busy nowadays, right? And 3, if you're loving this whole Thermomix sharing, then you might love watching this other video that shows you how easy it is to become a consultant, and it shows you how much you can save and earn with Thermomix. I will leave the link in the description. Okay, so I hope this video helped you. If it did, my name is Diana Legissima, and I would love a like and a follow from you. That will be your gift to me. If it didn't, then my name is something else, and I hope you'll enjoy other videos that I have made for you. Thank you so much.